I'm quite often asked by people who can be hypnotized, and sometimes they ask who can't be hypnotized. And then there's another group of people who tell me that they just can't be hypnotized. And it's true that there is certain people who can't be hypnotized. And if you don't want to be hypnotized, you can't be hypnotized, because all hypnosis is self-hypnosis. And so if you don't want to be hypnotized, you won't. It's as simple as that. You just don't follow the instructions and you won't be hypnotized. If I'm watching somebody else doing hypnosis, I can watch the same session and not get hypnotized, and then I can, on purpose, decide to get hypnotized by that session. So it's as easy as following the instructions and deciding to get hypnotized. Now, there are some people that can't be hypnotized, and those are people who can't focus for some reason. And it could be a mental thing. Maybe they have a mental illness where they can't focus, or maybe they're too drunk or too wasted to concentrate and to focus. Hypnosis is really a concentrated state of focus. And so if you are able to focus, then you can be hypnotized. If you can drive a car, then you can be hypnotized. Because the things that you need to be able to drive a car are also present in hypnosis. And so if you can watch TV, you can be hypnotized. So anybody can be hypnotized who wants to be hypnotized, as long as they can follow instructions, and as long as they want to be hypnotized. So thanks for tuning in, and until next time, have a good one.